Hello, my name is Chari, and I would like to explain about another data type in C language, that is float. I will take an example and explain that. So for writing a program, first of all, you need to understand the problem and you should be able to solve it manually. Say for example, I want to calculate say area of rectangle. Simple example I will say. With length is equal to say 20.75 and breadth is equal to 10.12. I want to calculate this. How do I do that? So we know the formula to calculate area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So here, what are the values? Length is equal to how much? 20.75. So it could be like inches or something like that in real time. So we take the value as it is. So it's 20.75, and breadth is equal to 10.12. So what we do now, we write the formula and we write the formula here. Length value is how much? 20.75 multiplied by 10.12. The result is equal to the result is 209.99. This is the area. So you write answer like on the paper when you solve this manually, you write answer. So area of rectangle is equal to 209.99. This you write. This way you solve the problem. So if you observe this, how many variables are there used in these calculations? Length is one variable, breadth is another variable, area of rectangle is another variable. Okay. If you look at the values, 20.75 is a decimal number in mathematics. In computer programming language, we call it as a floating point number or float. Okay. So here breadth is another variable. The value is 10.12. It is also a float. And if you look at the area of rectangle, this variable, the result is 209.99. This is also a float. So in order to solve this problem, we require three variables. I want to write a program. So how many variables are there here? We have three variables. So I will write a program in C language. So main, I declare the variables as float, length, breadth, comma, area of rectangle, semicolon. So now what I will do, length is equal to length is equal to 20.75, breadth is equal to 10.12, and area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth, semicolon, and write the answer. So printf. So here when you write the floating point numbers, you suffix with f. That indicates it is a floating point number. Okay, and printf. So we use percentage f, comma, area of rectangle. This way you write the answer on the screen. So I will save this as float.c. C is the extension here. And if I execute this program, how can I execute? Build and run. So this is it is compiled and run 209.989990. This is the result. So process returns 0. Execution time is 0.020 seconds. Press any key to continue. So you understand how to how to declare a variable as float, because you should be able to solve the problem manually. Then you will be able to write the program. Okay. Here, length value is 20.75. I will repeat once again. 20.75 is a floating point number. Length is a variable, breadth is a variable. When you solve manually, you will be able to understand how many variables are there in the program. How many variables are there in the solution. Okay. Based upon that, you can declare the values. So this is the declaration section. In the declaration section, you declare the variables like length, breadth, area of rectangle. Okay. If you have any questions, you can I'm from this website. It's www.creativity.com. You have everything, all the details are there on that. I conduct training programs on Python, data science, artificial intelligence, like that. Okay, all the details. Java also, I conduct training program on Java. Okay, you visit this website and find out the details for yourself. Thank you very much. Have a great one.